Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to charge your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with the help of 4 ways and how to check its charging status. So, let's get started. And the first way is quite simple. You just need to take this USB-C, USB-A charging cable which goes in a complete with the device. Then plug it in your earbuds and other end connect to the power adapter. But be aware that the power adapter does not go in a complete with the device. So also you can just plug it in charging port of computer or your laptop. But in this case the charging will go slower. The next way is with the help of wireless charging. Simply place the case on the charging platform with the Sony logo pointing upwards. When charging begins, the indicator light on the case will light up. Let me show you. And the indicator lights up. In my case, it's light up orange. The third way is with the help of your phone. So if your phone supports USB-C charging, you can charge your headphones by plugging them directly into your phone. Let me show you. And now it is charging because you can see this indicator which light up orange. And the last way, if your phone supports wireless power sharing function, then you can charge your headphones just by putting them at the back part of your phone. So to enable it, just open settings on your phone, then type in wireless power sharing, here it is, and enable by tapping on the switcher. Also, before enabling, don't forget to set the battery limit, which cannot be higher than your current battery percentage. So let's enable it, and then just take your headphones and place it like this, so the indicator will light up. Great! Here is how it looks. And now let's discuss how long does it take to charge your earbuds. So it takes approximately 2 hours to fully charge the headphones, and playback time of the headphones on a single charge is up to 8 hours, with the charging case up to 24 hours. And to check the battery percentage of your Sony earbuds, you will need Sony headphones application. Firstly, don't forget to connect your earbuds to the phone via Bluetooth, and then just open this app, and right on the main page you would see the battery percentage for the left earpiece, right earpiece, and for the whole case. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.